We have a 2003 Chevy Avalanche that this ECU is not communicating to the scanner. So I open my fuse box here in the front, and this one is burned out, and as soon as I put a new one, right away it was also burned out. So the one that's causing it is this one here. So I open my compartment here. You see this cigarette. This is the cigarette lighter. There's one in there. This is the one that's causing ground. So as soon as I put a new fuse on that there, it immediately burn out. So the fuse for the cigarette lighter and our OBDII scanner is the one that I showed you a while ago. So this is the connector for the cigarette lighter, and this is for the other one. I just unplug them and put a new fuse, and my scanner is working now. So I just want to share with those guy who's having a problem with like no communication on the ECM. Try this one. Check your cigarette lighter. It's the one mostly causing maybe grounded or corroded. This one is really corroded inside. If you can see there, it's like it's bad. That's why it's causing that fuse to burn. And I hope it helps those guys like me. Until next time.